Hello, my name is Widya Liwardani, and here I will introduce the venture that we have designed with much consideration. So why did we choose this mochi venture? Yes, the reason we choose the mochi because this business is a healthy food business made from natural ingredients. The mochi business attracts consumers because of the increasing demand for unique and typical food. Mochi is a wet apple both as a snack and dessert and can be customized with various flavor. In addition, production costs are relatively low and the patient profit margin is quite high. What we sell in the mochi is providing healthy snack made from natural ingredients. Of course, our mochi products are different and more exclusive because they use stevia sugar and fruit fillings such as strawberry, mustard grape, mangoes, and peach. Then how to develop it? The first one, showing increasing interest in unique and innovative food. Mochi with various flavor and sharp. The second, introducing traditional product to a wider market, diversing product by creating various product variants, such as veal mochi with modern flavor, healthy mochi or mochi with organic ingredients. In the next slide, we have an analysis problem or opportunity. The first one, context. When does the problem occur? In recent time, many problems have arisen due to the reduced fruit consumption and excessive sugar consumption. This problem is a problem that needs to be addressed seriously by creating a sweet snack product that contain low sugar and fruit extract in them. Problem, what is the root cause of the problem? Many people still think that sweet food products are low quality. Some versions of mochi sold on the market, especially these that are mass products, may contain excess sugar, artificial color, and preservation, which makes some people feel that these products are unhealthy or of low quality. Because mochi is often considered a sweet food, some people may associate it with unhealthy snack. Using natural preservation technique or rappelling or fresh ingredient and limited production, educating customer about the natural ingredient used in mochi product, their health benefit, and the manufacturing process that pays attention to quality. Customer who has the problem most often a teenager and young adult. Emotional impact. How does the customer feel? First, texture and taste satisfaction. Two, happiness from flavor variation. And three, quality and health impression. Quantifiable impact. What is the measurable impact? Include units, is growth rate, sales growth rate, customer satisfaction, alternative shortcoming, first competitive landscape, the availability of similar healthier mochi product in the market, could influence consumer choice and potentially the impact of the proportionate alternative. Cost, natural color can be more expensive than artificial ones, potentially increasing production costs. Consumer skepticism. Some consumers may be skeptical of claim about natural ingredients, requiring strong evidence and transparency. From the problem, we conducted a survey of 37 respondents via Google Form. In the survey, 73% agree with the product solution we offer, and 27% feel they did not agree or were influenced by our product solution. We calculate the estimate market size based on the data we get from the population statistic of Surabaya City, showing a total population of 3 million. So it is expected 25% are 18 to 30 years old. Therefore, our TAM is 68.25 million young adults who have the potential to consume our mochi product. For CAM, we assume 40% of the young adult population has the purchasing power and lifestyle to buy snack like mochi, so there are 300,000 potential customers. Based on competitor distribution channel and penetration of similar products, it may be possible to obtain a realistic market share. Assuming we can achieve a penetration rate of 5%, the food will be 15,000 consumers. For our estimate, let's take a midpoint penetration rate of 5% for this calculation, because these are realistic considering the market competition of 5% of 15,000 equals 750 customers. This customer persona is a portrait of a young person aged 18 to 30 years old from Surabaya, is active and care about local and environmentally friendly products. She likes to look for unique, interesting snack to upload on social media and support a healthy lifestyle. However, she often have difficult finding mochi with new creative flavors, small enough portion, or snack that are not too sweet. She is motivated to try new affordable products to look cool on social media and support brand local. She usually follow recommendation influencer, looks for healthy snack without searching tests, and sees mochi as a reward for herself after working hard. Purpose of personal documentation help identify ideal consumer who make buy mochi product. This can be used to adjust design and marketing strategies to better suit the target market. We move on the value proposition canvas, a tool to ensure that the product or service offered meets the needs of customer. The right side of the canvas describes the customer, including what they want to achieve, the problem they face, and the benefit they expect. For example, customers want healthy and delicious snack, but often have difficult finding snacks that are low in sugar, not overly processed, and still appealing. Meanwhile, the left side of the canvas describes the solution offered by the company, such as a mochi with a unique, healthy, and trendy flavor. The solution is a design to solve the customer problem. For example, by providing low sugar mochi and creating additional benefit, such as an attractive product designed for social media. The middle part of the canvas shows the match between the customer need and the solution offer, ensuring that the product is truly relevant and valuable to the customer. This helps us align the product with the needs and want of the market.
The next is solution. Describe our solution. We offer low sugar mochi with stevia sweeteners, offer a healthy and delicious alternative for mochi lovers. By replacing granulated stevia, this product is lower in calories and suitable for those who are on a diet or have certain health conditions, such as diabetes. The combination of a variety of fresh fruit and unique flavors provide a delightful culinary experience. Packaging is also carefully considered because we hope this product can be used as a hampers. In marketing, we social media to introduce product, interact with consumer, and hold various promotion. Able to participating in healthy food exhibition or community event to introduce product directly to consumers. The next is list the benefit of our solution. The first is lower calories content. Reduced sugar content means fewer calories, making it suitable for those watching their weight or managing diabetes. The second is natural sweetener. Stevia is a natural sweetener with 0 calories and a low glycemic index, making it a healthier alternative to artificial sweeteners. The third is convenient packaging. suitable for giving or individual consumption, making it a versatile option for various occasions. The fourth is versatility. The product suitability for gifting and individual consumption expand its potential market. The next is competition analysis. The first competition is Mirror's Mochi Sealer, Mochi Mochil. The second competition is famous mochi brand, Mochi Vesurio. The third competition is popular homemade mochi maker, Burberry. And the fourth competition is dessert box on or cake in jar. And the fifth competition is low sugar cookies. And real venture is the mochi. Product benefit: the mochi is providing healthy snack made from natural ingredients. Of course, our mochi products are different and more exclusive because they use stevia sugar and fruit fillings such as strawberries, muscat grapes, mangoes, and peaches. The real UVP is introduction traditional product to buy with the market, diversifying product by creating various product variants such as filled mochi with modern flavors, healthy mochi, or mochi with organic ingredients. The next is branding. The mochi use social media to introduce product, interacting with consumer, and hold various promotion, able to participating in healthy food exhibition or community event to introduce product directly to consumers. The next is market review. The mochi has strengths. Our lower sugar mochi with stevia sweeteners offers a healthy and delicious alternative for mochi lovers. And the mochi have a weakness. The use of more natural ingredients means the shelf life is not long and can result in a different texture or taste of the product. The next is clean canvas. The problem customer: the first, the need for health and delicious snack is increasing, but many snacks are high in sugar and preservative. The second is looking for mochi that has a texture that meets expectation, especially in terms of its sweetness. The seller: addition of a nutritional able to make customer or potential customer understand the product contents. The next is solution. The first, mochi with stevia sugar and fresh fruit filling as an alternative to a delicious and natural healthy snack. The second, conducting trials and studying suitable recipes to get mochi skin that suits consumer desires. The third is collaborating with professional experts in their field such as in food engineering and nutrition. The next is unique value proportion. Mochi with a natural sweet taste from stevia, a soft, chewy texture, and a variety of fresh fruit fillings. This product is suitable for consumers who want to enjoy snacks that prioritizing sugar content. The next is unfair advantage. The first is raw material quality, use of stevia sugar and local fresh fruits. The second is unique recipe, a unique and interesting combination of flavors from various types of fruits. The third is hygienic production process, ensures product safety and quality. The next is channel. The first is online by marketplace and social media, Instagram and Facebook. The second is offline by tenant for product display. The next is customer segment. The first is healthy food lovers, those looking the healthier snack alternative. The second is people with sugar intolerance, those who cannot consume regular sugar. The third is children, as a healthier snack than candy or chocolate. The next is business model directing selling. Direct selling product directly to consumer without intermediaries. The next is exciting alternative. The first is traditional mochi, usually use granulated sugar and has limited flavors variants. The second, other health snack, granola bars, dried fruits, and yogurts. The next is K-Matrix, the one. The next is K-Matrix. The first is sales, number of mochi sold each month. The second is repeat order, percentage of customers who make a repeat purchase. The third is Next Promoter Scores, NPS, customer satisfaction level. The fourth is cost of goods sold, COGS, production cost per unit. The next is cost structure. Raw materials: stevia, sugar, glutinous rice flour, cornstarch, food coloring, full grain milk, whipped cream, fresh fruit, and packaging. The production is labor, production tools and machine, production facilities, and utilities. The next is marketing, online advertising, social media, and sampling event. The next is revenue structure. The first is direct sales to consumer through online and offline stores. The event, participation in bazaar or food exhibition. The next is MVP, describe product. The stevia sweetened mochi product is a healthier alternative to traditional mochi, specifically designed for health-conscious consumers. Key characters of the product include: the first, sweetness with stevia. Unlike conventional mochi, which typically use sugar, this mochi is sweetened with stevia, a natural, calorie-free sweetener, making it suitable for those looking to reduce sugar intake. The second is natural fruit filling. The mochi is filled with fruit-based fillings, providing a refreshing and naturally sweet taste that complement the soft, chewy mochi dough. The next is MVP validation. Test details to measure packet acceptance and identify taste and texture preferences of stevia mochi among health-conscious consumers. Online survey, question on taste, texture, and overall product to get feedback. Direct product, inviting participants to try stevia mochi flavors, collecting indirect feedback on taste and texture. The question first is, how long will we test this MVP? The answer is, we take feedback samples within a day. The second question is, who is our target audience for the test and how many of them? The answer is young adult consumers 18 and until 30, maybe around 55 people. The third question is, how will we get to the audience? The answer is that one is social media on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The second is product sampling. The fourth is, did enough consumers buy? Why or why not? The answer is yes. The reason is attractive flavors, offerings, and effective marketing attracted attention. The fifth question is, did this customer pay the price we expected? Why or why not? The answer is, most customers expect the price offered. The reason is customer consider the product to be of high quality with natural ingredients. However, some find the price a little high compared to regular snack. The next question is, did customers come back to our product or show interest in doing so? Why or why not? The answer is, many customers show interest in returning to purchase. The reason is high level of satisfaction with the flavor and texture of the mochi. The next question is, did customers recommend our product to others or evangelize about it, and why or why not? The answer is, many customers recommended the product to friends and family. The reason is positive review on social media and testimonials from satisfied customers on strong word of mouth. The next is realization or insight. The first is positive market reception. Customers responded well to the flavors of the stevia mochi, indicating that there is a demand for healthier, natural sweetness snack. The second is price sensitivity. While most customers accepted the price, some found it slightly highlighting potential for pricing adjustment of offering values deals to increase affordability. The third is customer satisfaction. The measure of customer expressed satisfaction with the taste and texture, which contributes to a strong intent to repurchase. The fourth is effective word of mouth marketing. Customers were inclined to recommend our product to others, which suggests a strong potential toward social media and personal preference. The next is next step. The first is refined pricing strategy. Consider offering additional bundle deals or discount to address price concern and make the product more accessible, especially for frequent purchase. The second is expand product sampling. Increase product sampling and target location to reach a broader audience and boost initial brand awareness. The third is leverage social media engagement. Focus on encouraging user-generated content and testimonials on social platforms like Instagram and TikTok to amplify word-of-mouth marketing. The next is collect more data on preferences. Continue gathering customer feedback on flavors and texture to refine the product further and explore the possibility of adding new flavor variants. The next is monitoring feedback. The third is collect more data on preference. Continue gathering customer feedback on flavors and texture to refine the product further and explore the possibility of adding new flavor variants. The fourth is monitor feedback. Continuously monitor customer feedback and review to identify areas for improvement. The next is sales plan. Customer sales funnel. Target market is health conscious individuals such as diabetes, gluten, and intolerance. The second is leads acquisition channel, social media marketing, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The lead characteristic, individuals who have shown interest in the product through website visit, social media engagement, or email syncs ads. The third is opportunities or prospects. The first is exclusive offers and discount. The second is product examples. The third is educational content such as webinar and blog posts. The fourth is customers. Use-friendly online shopping experience and secure payment. The next is customer acquisition plan. The first is target customer segment. The second is target customer segment. The third is channels to be used to attract the target customer segment. The fourth is estimates number of leads, and the fifth is estimates cost to convert these leads to actual number. Can be seen in the picture.
Next is the financial plan. Startup cost of 15 million, working capital of 12 million, contingency fund of 3 million, capital work in progress of 27 million, kitchen equipment of 15 million, furniture of 8 million, renovation of 4 million, ingredients of 9 million, packaging of 3 million, marketing of 1 million, labor costs of 2 million, utilities of 3 million, startup capital of 20 million, initial stock of 8 million 500, working capital of 7 million, reserve fund 4 million 500. Next, forecast P&L. Profit and loss account in January 800,000, in February 1,660,000, in March 3,100,000, in April 3,160,000, in May 4,480,000, in June 5,540,000, in July 5,500,000, in August 5,450,000, in September 5,400,000, in October 5,380,000, in November 5,260,000, in December 5,200,000, a grand total of 50,900,000. Next, financial project. The first year amounting to 47,800,000, second year amounting to 51,632,000, third year amounting to 51,462,847, fourth year amounting to 54,830,546, the fifth year amounting to 52,593,659. Next, unit economy. Cost of sale plus cost of marketing in the year 2024 is 10,000 per customer online advertising cost. CLV amounting to 120,000 assuming the customer stay for 6 months. ARPU for 20,000 per month. The above is the unit economy for year 1. Refer to P&L statement for year 1 in slide 16. Assumption in the year 2024 is customer at the beginning of month as many as 1,000, customer at the end of month 850. Total is 15%. Next, funding plan. How much funds required to reach to the next level of the venture? For scaling up production from 500 packs per month to 1,500 packs per month. The estimated additional funds required are around 10 million. How much have been bootstrapped? If not, why? Currently, 4,750,000 has been bootstrapped, covering initial raw material, packaging, basic equipment, and marketing effort. This amount came from personal saving. How much can be bootstrapped? An additional 3 million can be bootstrapped if necessary, source from personal saving or small contribution from friend or family. How much external funding required? If not, why? External funding of approximately 7 million is required to achieve the next level. This will mainly support the equipment upgrade and marketing expansion. If external funding is not feasible, the growth rate will need to be slower, relying entirely on reinvest profit from initial sales. Funds utilization strategy detail. 1. Raw material is 3 million. Purchase additional raw materials like flour, stevia, fillings, and other ingredients for producing 1,500 packs per month. 2. Packaging is 1 million. Invest in attractive and brand-appropriate packaging. 3. Equipment upgrade is 4 million. Acquire additional production tools such as a larger mixer, steamer, or refrigeration unit to improve efficiency. 4. Digital marketing is 1 million. Promotion on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. 5. Content creation is 500,000. Produce high-quality photo and video of the product for marketing purpose. 6. Logistic and distribution is 500,000. Cover transportation and distribution costs to deliver product to reseller or directly to customer. 7. R&D, product development is 500,000. Create new variant or improve product quality to attract more customer. 8. Additional operational cost is 500,000 for electricity, gas, and other supporting expense. 9. Emergency reserve is 500,000. Allocate funds for unexpected needs during production or marketing. 10. Reseller network development is 500,000. Provide incentive for reseller or cover costs for recruiting new reseller. 11. New product testing is 500,000. Conduct small-scale testing of new product sample to gauge customer response. Total fund is 10 million. Next, team composition. Team member 1 is Widelia Wardani. Role or position is CEO. Key strength and abilities. Leadership, able to inspire and lead the team, make firm decisions, and take responsibility for the company success or failure. Vision, able to formulate a clear vision for the company and communicate it effectively effectively to all team members. Motivation, able to motivate oneself and others to achieve the set goals. Team member 2 is Dwi Maulidia Putri. Role or position is COO or CTO. Key strength and abilities, operational leadership, able to lead and manage all operational aspects of the company effectively. Project management, able to manage multiple projects simultaneously and ensure completion on time and within budget. Risk management, able to identify and manage operational risks. And team member 3 is Zulmi Fadila Ramadhani. Role or position is CFO or CMO. Key strength and abilities, financial analysis, able to analyze financial reports, market trends, and financial risk to make informed business decisions. Market analysis, analyze the market, consumer trends, and competitor to develop relevant strategy. Financial planning, prepare budget, manage cash flow, and plan long-term investment. Marketing strategy, developing effective marketing strategy to achieve business goals.